Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit sunset video using KineMaster. So if you want to create silhouette effect for your sunset video, you can do it on KineMaster and you can just follow my steps in here. So to start, you can just open the KineMaster and start a new project using 9 by 16 size, and then just open your videos. Here I'm going to just find my video. Okay, so I've already selected my videos, the one that I want to edit. Now it will be transcoding, and since the video is originally landscape, so I need to make some adjustment on the canvas. Okay, so here is the video, and you can adjust or split or trim if needed, but I'm not going to. Next, you can just click on the video and scroll down until you find the adjustment. Tap on adjustment, and now just lower the brightness all the way to negative 100, and the contrast to increase it to 100 like this, and scroll down until you find the temperature options. Increase it into also 100, or you can just adjust it to how you liked it. Let's just go with, okay, I think I'm going to go with 40 like this. And now next, you can just go back and you can add audio if you want to. You can add any audio that you think fits into your sunset video. I'm going to just add, okay, for example, this one's right here. Click on the plus icon, and now the audio has been added. So let's just trim the audio, and now it's done. So you can preview the result first by playing it on KineMaster. So this is my sunset video in KineMaster. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.